Okay, today we will learn how to play Tux Paint. So for that, firstly click on Start button and then click on Cortana search bar and click here. You can type here Tux Paint. It is already showing Tux Paint full screen here. Click on this icon and then Tux Paint software will open. Tux Paint is developed by Bill Kendrick, and it is easy to use and very user friendly and interesting. Kids can learn it very easily. It is freely available. Now let's learn how to use paint tool. Click on paint tool and select the thickness of the brush. I have selected the thickness and then select the color of the from the color palette, and then let's draw the stem of the tree. I'm drawing a simple scenery. I'm making a simple scenery, and then from here scroll down the tools, select green leaves and select the color from the color palette, and then in this way you can draw leaves of the trees. You can also choose light green color and make it more realistic. You can make light green leaves also. So tree is done. Now let's use line tool. Click on line tool. From subtools select the thickness of the line. I've selected thickness and then color from the color palette. Now drag and drop, click and drag the mouse. In this way you can draw a simple hut. Yes. Okay. If you want to use shapes tool, click on shapes tool. This tool is used to draw unfilled polygonal shapes. This tool is used to draw filled polygonal shapes. So if you want to draw a filled square shape, to draw a window, click on this square, filled square, and then select the color and then click here and drag the mouse, click here. So window done. So this is the simple drawing. So with the help of text tool you can also write here the name of your drawing, my first painting. So in this way you can draw a simple drawing. Thank you.